Do you want to know how to turn your dreams into reality and make millions in just 1 year? It may sound impossible, but with the right strategy, mindset, and action, it can be done. Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to break down exactly how you can build a 7-figure income in just 12 months. Let's dive in. The first step to making millions is mastering your mindset. Most people think wealth is only about the money itself, but it all begins in the mind. You need to adopt a millionaire mentality, which includes a few key principles. 1. Believe it's possible. You can't hit a target you don't believe is within reach. You have to genuinely believe you can achieve this goal. 2. Embrace failure. Successful people don't fear failure. They learn from it. Every failure is a stepping stone towards success. 3. Focus on value. Millionaires don't focus on money. They focus on creating value. The more value you bring to the marketplace, the more money you'll attract. Develop this mentality, and you're already ahead of 90% of the competition. Next, let's talk about the most important part, your strategy. To make millions, you need to combine two things: high-income skills and scalable business models. Here are 3 ways to achieve that. 1. Start a high-growth business. Think technology, e-commerce, or service-based businesses. Look at companies that can grow fast with relatively low overhead, like software or online education. 2. Invest in real estate or stocks. Real estate and the stock market have historically been great vehicles for wealth accumulation. Invest wisely and watch your money grow. 3. Leverage social media and content creation. Build an audience on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok and monetize it through sponsorships, ads, and products. People have built multi-million-dollar empires just by sharing their knowledge or creativity online. Whatever path you choose, it must be scalable so you're not just trading time for money, but building assets that generate revenue while you sleep. Now, let me give you a roadmap for how to actually hit the million-dollar mark in 12 months. This plan assumes you're starting from scratch, but it requires dedication, learning, and constant effort. Months 1 to 3. Learn and develop a high-income skill. Start by mastering a skill that can generate high income, whether it's coding, digital marketing, real estate, or sales. Learn, practice, and start monetizing it. Months 4 to 6. Launch your scalable venture. Use your new skills to launch a scalable business. Whether it's an online store, coaching service, or investment, start building out your brand, customer base, and cash flow. Months 7 to 9. Scale. Now it's time to scale. Automate what you can, hire if needed, and focus on reaching a broader audience. This could mean investing in advertising, partnerships, or expanding into new markets. Months 10 to 12. Refine, optimize, and maximize profits. At this point, you should have a solid foundation. Now, it's all about optimizing, cut unnecessary costs, double down on what's working, and maximize your profits. Reach for that million-dollar milestone. Here's the truth. Nothing happens without action. This plan won't work if it stays in your head. You need to start implementing today. Don't wait for the right time. There's never a perfect moment to start, but you have to begin somewhere. Commit to your goal, follow the blueprint, and you could be on your way to making millions by this time next year. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Let me know in the comments, what's your million-dollar idea? I'll see you in the next one.